2004.
Okay. Do you have a new sticker on there?
Yeah, I've got a Washington State sticker.
Right there. There it is. All right. Do you know this one? 37. Is this whole exhaust Yoshimura?
Yes, it is.
All right. If you start up in neutral, and then we'll test it. I need to work the throttle.
Oh, you're working the throttle.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. How about 99? So you're at 99.
Oh, okay.
The limit's 93.
Right.
So you are over.
Okay.
So I'd
Because I've got a
probably
quiet
look at
core
maybe
in there
trying
too.
a different tip on that.
Okay. All right. I thought about putting a different one, maybe one that turns down or something, or
That helps too, but not that much.
okay. Because it has a quiet core in, but I'll look at maybe getting a longer one in or something like that. Does that help?
Yeah, it helps.
Okay.
It's an 04?
Yours?
Yeah.
It's 2006.
2006.
35.
I'm sorry, 2006.
37.
You need to start it up, honey.
Almost 93, so you're good.
Oh. Hers is a slip-on HMF, not a full system.
What's that?
Hers is a slip-on HMF, not a full system, if you need to know that.
Yeah, yeah. Which is interesting. HMF tends to be really loud.
I know. Well, I've got the quiet core in that one too, so
In this, you do?
yes.
Okay, then that's probably it. Plus, it's on a being just a 400. It's not quite as big.
Right, right.
All right. Well, thanks.
Okay, I'll work on getting a different, maybe a longer quiet core stick in that thing might make a difference.
Yeah, you can always call the office, the Oregon Dunes office too, and we can come out if you're camping and you changed it, recheck you.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh. Put my camera on. I gotta go next to their van. Yeah, I gotta see which way my camera's pointing. It came off. So I gotta stand next to your truck.